Hi traders, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best Islamic Forex trading accounts in Micronesia. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Forex brokers offering Islamic Forex trading accounts in Micronesia enable Muslim clients to trade using a swap-free account. Micronesia is best known as a tourism destination, especially amongst the scuba diving community. Traders who are searching for some of the best Islamic Forex trading accounts in Micronesia can sometimes find it to be a difficult process, especially when searching for a safe, reliable, and trustworthy broker to trade with. So, in this video, we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best Islamic Forex trading accounts in Micronesia. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have Hycm. Hycm is a British forex broker company that is based in London, founded in 2016 and has operational offices in Cyprus, as well as a presence in Hong Kong and Dubai. Hycm offers clients a variety of tradable market instruments, such as Forex, commodities, indices, energies, and more. Hycm offers the popular and well-known MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 trading platforms, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Accounts include fixed, classic, and a raw account, with lower minimum deposits, lower leverage, and a variety of tradable base currency options. Hycm also provides a variety of educational tools, such as Forex education, webinars, seminars, as well as videos that cover topics such as the world of global trading, the management of your capital, the psychology of trading, and more. Hycm also offers beginner courses, tutorials, trading strategies, and ebooks, which cover classes on assets traded on the platform, for you to browse through if you are looking to expand your trading education with Hycm. At number 4 on our list is InstaForex. InstaForex is a leading online CYSEC regulated forex broker that was founded in 2007. InstaForex is a global broker specializing in services and trading through Forex, shares, indices, commodities, cryptocurrencies, and futures. Platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and the InstaTick Trader, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. InstaForex provides 2 main types of trading accounts, the Insta Standard account and the Insta Eureka account. There are 2 Cent accounts, and these accounts offer an easy, risk-free way for new traders to learn how to trade and how to use the platforms. These Cent accounts were also designed for traders who would like to test new strategies in a live market environment with real trades, but without the higher risks of larger deposits. InstaForex offers an entire dedicated section of the website to providing webinars, platform and trading tutorials, trading guides, and much more. Their training courses are designed specifically for beginners and first-time traders, and this course will help you understand technical and fundamental analysis, how to make forecasts of price changes, how to use MetaTrader 4, and how to trade. Coming in at number 3, we have HFM. HFM, previously known as Hot Forex, was established in 2007 and is a well-regulated online trading broker. HFM has been listed under the World Finance Top 100 Global Companies and offers premium MetaTrader 4 and 5 trading tools, access to AutoChartist, a VPS hosting service, and more than 1,200 tradable instruments. HFM offers more than 50 tradable currency pairs, with spreads starting as low as 0 pips, as well as a variety of metals, energies, indices, shares, commodities, bonds, stocks, and ETFs. With HFM, you can trade popular cryptocurrencies including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, and Litecoin. With lower commission fees, risk management, negative balance protection, mobile trading, and more. Their accounts are available on Micro, Premium, Zero Spread, and HF Copy accounts. The minimum deposits required range from $5 to $300, with no deposit fees, 24 hours a day, 6 days a week customer support, a large number of simultaneous open orders, variable spreads, demo accounts, swap-free accounts, and more. HFM's accounts can be connected to the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 trading platforms, which are supported on desktops and mobile operating systems. This broker provides a great selection of high-quality educational guides, trading courses, and research materials. There are plenty of educational videos that cover a variety of topics, such as trading psychology, trading plans, the basics of trading, technical indicators, as well as entire courses in video format that will teach you about using the trading tools and platforms provided, trading different instruments, trading strategies, and understanding the basics of trading. You can also delve into their podcasts and webinars if you are searching for any additional educational content with HFM. At number 2 on our list is Octa FX. Octa FX is a popular social trading forex broker that was founded in 2011, and they have won more than 40 industry awards over the years. By trading with Octa FX, you will have access to commission-free accounts with tight spreads. This broker currently offers over 30 currency pairs, along with over a dozen popular cryptocurrencies, energies, and indices. Their accounts are suitable for trading gold and silver, and we recommend trading with them if you are interested in trading CFDs. There are 2 types of live trading accounts that you can open with Octa FX, and they give their clients the option to use demo accounts and swap-free accounts. You can open either a MetaTrader 4 account or a MetaTrader 5 account by depositing at least $100, and both of these accounts are commission-free that offer flexible spreads starting as low as 0.6 pips. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Octa FX provides high-quality educational resources such as market insights, reliable forex news, and technical analysis reports. There are also plenty of helpful trading guides and educational videos that you can watch to learn the basics of forex trading, along with platform tutorials, quick guides that cover some of the most popular trading strategies, and their market information section can be used to easily monitor market events, trading hours, forex news, and much more for you to browse through if you are looking for any additional educational content with Octa FX. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best Islamic Forex trading accounts in Micronesia, we have XTB. XTB is a European broker that was founded in 2002, has offices in 13 countries across the globe, is regulated by the UK Financial Conduct Authority, combines financial services with innovative technology, and supports a wide range of languages. XTB specializes in trading through Forex, indices, commodities, stock CFDs, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies. Their accounts feature standard, pro, and Islamic accounts with up to 1,500 tradable instruments, lower spreads, automated trading, free account setups, and more. Featured platforms for accounts are available on MetaTrader 4, XStation 5, and XStation mobile applications, which feature integration with NinjaTrader and are available on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. XTB also provides their very own educational center, which features basic, intermediate, expert, and advanced courses in financial trading that delve into topics such as introductions, lessons in platform functionality, a market news and analysis panel, their very own market calendar, as well as a trader's library for you to browse through if you are looking to expand your trading knowledge with XTB. And those are some of the top 5 best Islamic Forex trading accounts in Micronesia on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.